Welcome back, students. The topic for today's discussion is file opening and file access modes. That is, you will be learning how to open and close a file and what are the modes that are available once we have opened the file. This is what the topic we are going to see in today's session. So, the first topic is opening a file. I can open the file in two formats. Let us move on to the example and then we will see the syntax. Example 1 states that F1 is equal to open of sample.txt. Here, I do not have the second parameter as given in the second syntax. That is, mode is not present. Whenever I am not specifying the mode, just I am opening F1 is equal to open of sample.txt. It means that I am opening the file for reading. Then the second example is F2 is equal to open of sample.csv, comma, W indicates the mode. I am opening the mode for writing. Other than reading, I have to specify modes with respect to opening a file. Here F1, F2, F3, F4. These things are called as file handlers or file object, right? So here, if I want to specify the path, I can specify the path using two methods. That is, the third example, if you see now, F3 equal to open of F colon double slash I'm using Python program. This is where I type the programs. Double slash the file which I'm going to create, namely my demo write3.dat, and this WB is the mode of opening the binary file. This is one way of specifying the path. Other than this one, many people prefer using single backslash. If they prefer using single backslash now, excuse me, I have to include R before the particular path. This R denotes raw string. There is no special meaning attached to any character there. R in front of the particular path, if I am giving a, you can able to specify with single backslash, while when you are giving the path. This is one way of opening the file. Now let us look at the syntax. File object name equal to open file name. Here F1 example 1 alone suits the particular syntax which is given. F1 equal to open of sample.txt. Whereas the other three examples, namely F2, F3, F4. Example 2, example 3 and example 4 follows the second syntax. F2, F3, F4 are the object name. I am opening the file with the corresponding modes there. With respect to example 5, 6, 7, 8, we are trying to open the file in another format, namely with open. When you are trying to open a file using with statement, the with keyword will come at first. Open, you are specifying sample.txt. Here you are not giving the mode. It indicates that it is a read mode by default as F1. Here F1 is the handler. Similarly, example 6, with open sample CSV, comma, W as F2. Again, example 7, I have specified the path and the file handler name here is F3. With respect to example 8, I am trying to open the path using the raw string. That is, I am trying to specify a single backslash instead of double backslash. With respect to file access modes, I have shown something in red, that is RB, read only, R plus B or RB plus read and write. Something which I have highlighted in red color. Kindly note that when the file is not present, it will throw an error. In order to open a file, either in a read mode or read binary or a read write, that is R plus B, read write binary or RB plus, the file should be in existence. If the file is not present, it will throw an error. With respect to the other categories, W means write only, A means append, W plus I can write and read, A plus I can write and read. And with respect to binary files, it is WB for write only, AB for append. Here this B stands for binary. W plus B or WB plus stands for a read and write in binary. A plus B or AB plus stands for read and write in binary. That is, you are going to append with respect to the last one. Even if the file is not present, the file would be created either for append or for write. With respect to write, if you have the content already, the content, previous content would got erased automatically. Then with respect to close, I have to close only the files which I have opened using that file object is equal to open of the file name. That particular syntax alone, I have to close those type of files. With respect to with open command, you need not worry about closing the files. Why? Because the file gets automatically closed when it comes at the end of the program. I hope now you are clear with understanding how to open and close a file and what are the different types of modes, when to apply which mode. Thank you.